Before we start, let me tell you that I'm going to be using a sort of a rough script that I wrote, which looks like this. And I'll give you a link in the description to a PDF of this script. I would strongly recommend if you, well, I don't know, if you think this is useful, to print it out yourself. And if you want to take little marginal notes as you're doing the video, or you could do a typed version of this. But it's nice as you experiment and follow along with me to be able to type your own notes about things that were confusing to you or additional things that you discover. The second thing I'll say is, for myself, initially, I made this quick reference guide, which is kind of a summary of the syntax for different things. I'll make this available to you also. I think it's even more useful if you make your own version of this, or if you augment it yourself. Because a quick reference guide is what it sounds like. It's there to help you quickly remember how to do things that you've seen and made sense, but you may not remember, because there's a lot of new syntax. It's very frustrating if you're just trying to write a program and you know that you've seen how to do something before, but you can't quite remember. So that's my advice. I hope this goes well. Good luck, everybody.